Hi there and welcome to Mr. Mitchell's Mathematics. Today we're going to be looking at how to find the area of a trapezium. Like always, make sure you've got a pen and paper ready so that you can do the calculations in this video. So to find the area of a trapezium, what you need to do is add together two parallel sides, divide them by 2 and times them by the height between them. This seems a bit complicated, so why don't we write it in formula form? This is a plus b divided by 2 times by h. This may still seem a bit complicated, so why don't we use the worked example in front of us to make it more straightforward. In this case, we have 5 and 7 meters as the two parallel sides, so we add those together and divide them by 2. The next step is to times that by the height between them, which in this case is 3 meters, so times by 3. Once we put all of the information into the formula, it's simply a case of cancelling it down. With regards to this equation, we have 5 plus 7 is 12, divided by 2 is 6, times 3 is 18. So the final answer is 18. Just to clarify, the 5 and the 7 simplify to 12, divided by 2 is 6, times by 3 is 18. So the final answer is 18 meters squared. Good. So don't worry if that's a bit difficult to understand immediately. Like always, I'm going to give you now a few examples for you to try at home. Have a go at finding the areas of these two trapeziums, and in a moment I'll show you how to correctly work them out. Best of luck. So why don't we start with the one in the top left-hand corner. In this case, 7 centimeters and 9 centimeters are the two parallel sides, so we need to add those together and divide it by 2. We then need to find the height and times it by it. In this case, that's the 6 centimeters, which we add on here. So once we've got everything in the formula, it's simply a case of simplifying it down. 7 plus 9 is 16, divided by 2 times by 6. That equals 16 divided by 2 is 8, times by 6 is 48, and in this case, centimeters squared. Good, let's have a go at the other one. In this example, the two parallel sides are the 10 meters and the 14 meters. So 10 plus 14 divided by 2, and the height is this measurement here, 2 meters. So we times that by 2. In this case, 10 plus 14 is 24, divided by 2 times by 2. Now if you divide a number by 2 and then times it by 2, it's basically the same number. So this is 24 meters squared. And that's the final answer. So I hope you got those two questions right. Don't worry again, because we always give you more examples to try at home. Have a go at finding the areas of these two trapeziums, and in a moment I'll give you the correct answers. Best of luck. Okay, so for the first one, the 90 meters and the 120 meters are the two parallel sides. So we do 90 plus 120 divided by 2, and we times it by 4 meters, which is the height between them, times by 4. 90 plus 120 is 210 divided by 2 times 4. 210 divided by 2 is 105, times 4 is 420. In this case, the units are meters and it's squared because it's area. Great, I hope you got the correct answer there. For the next one, the two parallel sides are 18 centimeters and 22 centimeters. So we add those together and divide it by 2. The height in this one is 10 centimeters, so we times it by 10. 18 plus 22 is 40, divided by 2 times 10, which is 20 times 10 equals 200. And in this case, centimeters squared as our final answer. So I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson and got those questions right. If you have any questions or queries, leave a comment in the section below and make sure to subscribe to Mr. Mitchell's Mathematics. Have a great day.